Hi guys, online to help here again. This is a quick demo of how you can create SMTP server, which I tagged this video new SMTP method for PowerMTA on Ubuntu server. Okay guys, let's dive in the demo and see how we can create PowerMTA SMTP server to send unlimited emails on Ubuntu. Okay, things you be needing here: one, you need your VPS ready, you need a domain, you need an SSH client to run your script, and we're going to get started. You need PowerMTA Ubuntu file, and you need a license, you need a configuration file, and with all this ready, you are good to go in building your own SMTP server on Ubuntu. Okay, now right now in this video, I'm going to be buying my VPS, buy my domain, and run my scripts and let my SMTP start running on Ubuntu. Okay, the first thing here is I'm going to pick it Ubuntu here. I'm using OVH in this case. In this video, we are using OVH. I'm going for Ubuntu 22.4 versions. So scrolling down, click on continue here and wait for it to come up and proceed to your payment. From this place, you can just scroll down and click on continue. But if you want to add additional space, you can go ahead and do whatever things you want to pick from there. I'm just going to leave it that way and proceed. And I'm going for the monthly subscription. You can go for any plan of your choice here, but right now I'm going for the monthly subscription. Scrolling down again, and you can see the total balance I'm paying here is $7. Okay, guys. So you pick your billing address and you pick your payment option. So I'm just going to pick my payment option from those place and I'm going to proceed. Okay, once the payment is done, I'm going to get back to you. I will add my credit card information. So I've successfully made the payment. It's loading and let's see, it takes us to a successful payment. You can see order was successfully processed. So right now we're going to be waiting to get our information and we'll get started with our setup. Okay, but before then, now that we have our VPS, we've already purchased the VPS and we're waiting for our VPS IP and the password. Let's go ahead and get our domain ready. Okay. So heading over to our Namecheap because I'm going to be making use of Namecheap in for my domain. So let's say I search for Polar. Okay, that's bro. That's what I want for mine. So I'm just going to click on best mode. Okay. So just wait for all to bring the results and see if the availability of the domain you want to purchase is available for you to buy. Okay. And right here, you can see we have them available. So you can just proceed to add to cart and you check out, sorry, you check out your domain and you make your purchase for it. So by this time, you know that you have your domain and you have your VPS ready and we're good to go. So I'm just going to make order for this, confirm the order. So from here, pick your payment option and proceed to your payment. So if you're using a PayPal, it allows PayPal and your credit card. So just pick whatever you want to pay with and proceed with that. All right. So the order has been made now. So we're waiting for it to process. You can see order confirmed, payment authorized. So just waiting for the process, the transaction successful page. And here we go. This is the transaction successful page. And now we can now go to the manage option. And here we go. This is our domain. And from this advanced manager here, that is where we're going to be configuring our DNS record for our SMTP, which when you are getting this course, you're going to be getting it along with it. And mind you, please, this tutorial course is not free. Please note this is not free. On how you can build the file is not free, the license is not free. We have the file and the license for sale, and at the same time we have the full installation pack for sale. So whichever one you are going for, either you are going for the full installation pack, which comprises of the installation video from A to Z and the file, the license, the script, the DNS record, and the rest, or you decided to just go for the file and the license. But mind you, all these are not free because some of people will get inside our DM and be asking for this. It's not a free tool. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to be doing all the DNS record. So let me just check my inbox if the VPS is ready, so we can quickly get started with the work of the day. Okay, so we have our VPS now ready. You can see it's just came in. Our VPS just came in. So we have the IP. I'm just going to copy this IP address. Okay, and I'm going to be putting this IP address in Notepad. Okay, so I'm going to be putting this IP address here. So open my SSH client and let me look at this. I'm going to be doing this and put the password. Then let's get started. All right, so getting this now, so open a new terminal to run the command. So the first command we're going to be running right here is we're going to set our host name. Okay, so I'm going to be writing this command and change the host name. So once I type host name, I'm going to be seeing my host name, which is my domain name. Okay, so after setting this host name, okay, I can close this and reopen again so that the host name can be showing right here. You can see from this, it's showing our domain name. Okay, that's very good. So now I'm just going to be updating my sudo and I'm going to be upgrading it. Then I upload my file and our SMTP is ready. So while this updating is ongoing, just give it for like a minute or 30 seconds. It's going to be done. Okay, it's not even up to 30 seconds. All this is ready within just a 5 seconds or 10. Okay, so I'm upgrading this. So I'm going to pick yes and let's upgrade this. Okay. Okay, now so now that all the command is done, so the next thing for us to do is to upload our file. And to do that, I'm going back to my which files. I'm going to open those. And mind you guys, this is a demo video, and all the commands are not being shown in the video. All the commands are available on our full tutorial course. Okay, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be dragging this our PowerMTA Ubuntu file inside our VPS host. Okay, so once I drag this, we'll wait for this process to be completed. Once it's completed, then we're going to upload our license. From this place also, you can see the license is here and the configuration is there. So we're going to upload our license and we start our PowerMTA and we start sending emails. Okay, guys. So you can see the upload, it's almost done. Okay. So right now that it is successfully uploaded, we just have to install our PowerMTA first before we upload our license. So I'm going to be opening my SSH client, which is this, and I'm going to run this command to install what's this and enter. Then the installation process started. You can see this installation process, it's different from the one of CentOS. So this is a different method entirely for Ubuntu. Now the installation was to install to upload our license. So I'm just going to be uploading my license right here. I'm going to reload this and I'm going to upload it from etc to PowerMTA. So here is etc PowerMTA. So I'm just going to open this from here also, drag my license and drop it down here. Okay, good. Now my config, I'm going to drag it, drop it down here, overwrite this, and okay, I right click and edit. I'm going to edit my config file. So nothing much we've done here. We just change this domain name, we replace all, then changes our IP address, set our login. This is our username login for our VPS and the password, and we're good to go. I'm going to service PHP start. So from here, I'm just going to highlight this and Control H to replace. I'm going to replace with my domain. Okay, so I'm going to just drop it here, then replace all. Okay, then close this. To the IP address, I'm going to highlight this, Control H, and I'm going to be replacing this also with this our IP address here. Copy this V and replace. So good. So we'll go to our username and password. I'm going to change. I'm going to cover this username because I noticed in my last video I did, someone on this channel used the password and the username and start blasting. So I'm not going to show you the username and the password this time around. Okay. Well, I'm going to edit this. So once all is done, I'm going to save this, save, and let's head back to our SSH client. Then to run service PMTA start. So when I debug this, it says we've not added our DKIM. So I'm just going to add my DKIM right now on this place. Okay. So DKIM is now added. Let's head back and run service PMTA start. And boom, it's in. So let's run service PMTA session. And running the status, you can see it's active and running. So our PowerMTA is now running very well. So let's check our PowerMTA monitor right now. And one more thing I'm going to be doing is to check for the inbox delivery of this server. So I'm going to be using two things there. I'm going to be using SMTP.net, and I'm going to be using my email sender, which is the Ultra mailer sender. Okay, so right now let me open. So here is smtp.net. I'm going to be posting putting our host, which is our domain, our port to be 2525. We use authentication, username is admin, and I'll put my password. Okay, and from email will be mail at yourserver.com, and we can use online to at gmail. Okay, stop. Okay, so let me just open my Gmail account so we can check once the message is done. So now going back to this our browser to confirm, I'm going to hit the button send. Okay, and let's see if we're going to receive the mail. Okay, processing and sent. It says message sent. Okay, now going back to this. So minimizing this, and we'll go back to this browser and see. And you can see it's already in there. You can see this. It came from this. You can see this is mail at this.com. Okay. So one more thing is that we're going to be using Ultra Mailer. Okay. Here is my Ultra Mailer. Just pick one of this and okay. So I'm going to okay. This is the SMTP server. Our username follows my password. Okay. Okay, my password this. Send from this is mail at this and sender name. You can reply to this as well. Then I hit the button send text and let's see. And guys, don't we can also send text using this our what's it called? Our IP address at the same time. So it's the send text now. It says send text. Okay. You can see it says send text successful. So let's check if it gets it in inbox. I'm going here and let's go back to this and see. And you can see it's also inside inbox. It also gets inbox. You can see it's sent from mail out. This is our domain. So this is a powerful tool that you can get now. You can send unlimited emails with your server and you can do your IP rotation on it. I believe I've been able to show you a very clear demonstration of how the tools work. If this is your first time of watching this video or you've not subscribed to my video, kindly do well by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget, this tools is not free. It comes with a price tag. You can either go for the file and the license if you know how to do the setup. But in case if you don't know how to do the setup, you can come in for the full installation setup guide. Thanks for staying and watching this video. I'm going to see you in the next.